Hello everyone, this is Richard, the Dungeon Crawler. Sorry for the clickbait thumbnail, but I thought Sydney would appreciate Robotech. I think she would make a good Lisa. How about Henry Cavill for Roy? But I usually say Henry Cavill would make a cool character. Regardless, let me know what your dream casting would be for Robotech. This will be a quick unboxing for the Robotech RPG Tactics game. I won an eBay auction that came with a basic set, and then the Battlecry upgrade set. They said some of the models are already built, but I think I'm going to need as much help as I can to get these figures together. I paid around $60, so let's see how my purchase was. This is something I wanted for a while. I didn't back it when it came out, and then there was a lot of drama behind it, so then I was kind of glad that I didn't back it. But now I finally get to see what it's like. Here goes. Looks like it's packed really well. Here goes. It's the Robotech RPG. It's the first figures. Looks like this one was damaged in shipping. And two more. Let's see what else. That's pretty cool. Good painting. I have never played a strategy tabletop game, but I do remember when the Kickstarter came out, and I thought the figures were really cool. But since I never had experience with that type of game, I never backed it. Then all the drama came out, and I really stayed away from it. But I always thought those figures looked really cool. Back when I was playing Palladium Robotech games, I originally had a few metal minis. I had a Veritech and then the Officer's Battle Pod. So having all of these minis will sure be fun. Here are the painted Centrati Battle Pods I have. Pretty happy with the paint. They're all in different positions. I like the dynamic movement. This one looks like it's stomping a Micronian. And then we have three that are kind of primered. One that was, I guess, in between painting. Gives me a good start. Got already a squad going. And the human mecha. We have three painted Veritechs. All in different positions. An Excalibur. Two painted. And the Raider X's are just primed. Looks pretty cool. Good starting point. Here are all the tokens and cards. Officer's Battle Pod. Artillery Battle Pod. What is that? I've never seen that before. Standard Battle Pods. The Fighter. Pretty cool. Oh, that's the male power armor. I wonder if the female power armor is here. I don't see it. You do have Azonia, Miria, Chiron, Britai for the RDF. Rick, Max, Miria, Ben. Why would you want to play Ben? And Roy. R.I.P. Roy. For the Earth Mecha, Veritex, Destroids, and the Armored Veritech. I don't know if they have that mecha. And then a lot of Veritechs. Here are some bigger cards. I'm not really sure what these do. Oh, looks like squadrons. Pretty cool. These must be squadrons of Zentradi. Yeah, battle pod squads. Then we have some smaller cards. This coming in. Not really sure what these do. Have a lot of reading to do. Here's all the human mecha. This one's maybe a Destroid. And this one looks like a Destroid 2. And then a whole lot of Veritech fighters. This is going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be cool when I definitely have them built. Here's all the Zentradi. Looks like this is artillery battle pods. These are the missiles, the light, and then the heavy, looks like. And then this one must be an officer's battle pod, because it looks like it has the gun arms there. And then this one, it looks like it's just the standard battle pods. There's 3 of them in just this one sprue. Here's everything all laid out. This is a sure lot of sprues. I'm an old muscle car guy, and I know taking over someone's project can be sometimes problematic, but I'm really happy with my purchase. Let me know in the comments if you played Robotech Tactics, and if you have any tips for me, because I'm a total noob at this. This auction was for everything in the starter set and the Battlecry upgrade. This is a lot. Let me know if I'm missing something, but I don't think it really matters, because for me, this is going to be a lot of painting and gluing. I'm not sure if my modeling skills are up to the task, but I guess we'll find out. Thanks for watching this short video. It's probably going to take some time before I'm ready to actually play Robotech Tactics. In the meantime, I'm working on some Gen 1 Palladium Robotech book reviews and player guides. If you want to show support for the channel, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed, and you'll be notified when the next adventure is ready. And I'll see everybody on the next dungeon crawl.